Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, November 14th. So, as we head into what is typically a bullish seasonal period of the year between Thanksgiving and the very beginning of the next year, things have improved quite a bit with the market breaking out to the upside last week and being able to hold the breakout for a couple of days. The breakout I'm talking about is over the 3,900 level, and that occurred on Thursday and was confirmed again on Friday. So the S&P chart, though, still has that downtrend line on it. It's still a bear market, but this is a rally within a bear market, and it could be strong enough to challenge the 200-day moving average and even that downtrend line, which are up around 40.70 or 40.80. The equity-only put-call ratios remain on buy signals. The McMillan volatility band remains on a buy signal as well. The breadth oscillators also are now on buy signals. I wouldn't say they're super strong, but it would probably take more than one day of negative breadth to reverse that buy signal as well. So things are lining up, short-term bullish from all of those indicators. New highs versus new lows is still not shaping up, though. There have not been 100 new highs on the New York Stock Exchange yet, and so that indicator remains negative. So it brings us to VIX. Now, VIX has continued to decline, and the spike peak buy signal that we've talked about for a while is now expiring. So it's been in place for about a month, and it will expire tomorrow. However, the more intermediate term signal is the trend of VIX, and that's potentially going to roll over to a buy signal here soon. That would happen if the 20-day moving average of VIX crosses below the 200-day moving average, and they're nearing each other right now, so that crossover could happen in a fairly short order. The construct of volatility derivatives, meaning the term structure of the VIX futures and that of the CBOE volatility indices, that's all become positive as well. And we did have a short-term buy signal when the 9-day volatility index crossed below the regular VIX. So all of these things add up to a pretty positive short-term outlook. Seasonally, as I mentioned, things do improve after Thanksgiving. Sometimes, though, leading into Thanksgiving, the market can stumble a little bit. So that would be a counter to some of these buy signals that we're seeing right now. In any case, I invite you to visit our website where you can keep up to date on these things daily. And meanwhile, have a great week trading.